This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. I believe it's the 21st of September. I'm not sure if this is the first day of fall or is it 22nd. I'm not sure. I have to check that. I think it's the 21st, but it's almost 11 o'clock. Yeah, we're 2 hours late. Everybody, it was a very hectic day yesterday. I had to fix client's email. So we're going to run into some traffic here today. Hey, baby. Hey, honey. Hold on. Mama's going to bring this for you. There's our Seymour. Okay. Okay. Now, let's see. Put this here. And this here. A little guy right here who's looking for some cashews. I'm going to get some cashews here. Oh. There you go, baby. There you go. There we go. Right in the middle thing. Okay. Put that out there for him. We got a little crow right here. Got a lot of traffic, unfortunately. Cats just took so long today. Oh, 2 hours feeding this one, force feeding that one, giving medication the other one. Oh my gosh. I can't get away. And then cleaning up. Oh, the litter's got to go out, this and that, and it's just one chore after another, and before you know it, it's 4 hours. 4 hours of just doing morning chores. Can't get up at 7:30. Way too late. We really need to get up at 5:30. Sometimes it's just so hard, especially if we don't get to bed till like 10:30. So I forgot my grain balls today. Unfortunately, so late at this time. People are rushing home to get home at lunchtime. The one good thing is I don't see Garrett Schmidt here today. There we go. The nuts. Sounds like mule girl to me, doesn't it? Here we go. There we go. Oh, didn't chop up the bread too good. Oh, I'm so tired. I tripped twice this morning already to show you how tired I am. And just started the day. Have about 6 different errands to run. Prepared the kitties that we'd be gone for a couple of hours before I get done with all these errands. There's our little mule gull. I don't know where Seymour is. There's a number of silver gulls up on the ramp up there. Why they're not coming down, I have no idea. And the pigeons are going crazy over the food. A lot of pigeons. I'm beginning to wonder Did he buy more pigeons? There's just 2 pigeon handlers. Or what? Watch out, little guys. Don't know. I'm gonna make this video very short because I got a lot of errands to run. And I have an extra thing of nuts. Tomorrow's Sunday. Tomorrow's a big day. Make sure we'll have everything that they want. But I'm sorry I forgot their name box. But they got plenty of eggs. They got plenty of other things. This I have to keep here for my other birds. This little bit I'll throw out extra. And then it's off we go. Let's stop at the pharmacy. You know, twice we went, and every time the pharmacy was closed. It either closed early at 4 o'clock or it closed during lunchtime from 12 until 1:30. Imagine that. Imagine that people who have to work can't get to the pharmacy at lunchtime. Okay? And they can't get to the pharmacy because they got to work till 6. I'd like to know, how is that supposed to work? What kind of hours is that, right? You have to wonder sometimes. Here, it's just not service oriented. Traffic's very heavy, so I'm gonna shut this down and get on our way so the birds stay out of the street. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. I want to wish you a great Friday and a wonderful weekend. Love your birds, stay safe, fight the good fight, and do what you can. And look at our lovely little birds. A couple little crows here. Hey baby. Hey baby girl. This one looks very, very thin here. I'd say he doesn't look good. Let's see if we can give him a little nut here. Huh? There you go. Right? Looks very, very thin. Let's hope he gets in there and gets something. Very, very thin. Oh my God, he looks thin. Anyway, this is DC Danton Crow Crusader. We're going to shut down right now. And I'll see you tomorrow. But tomorrow we will be out here bright and early. There he got something. Poor little thing. He got himself a nut or 2. So, anyway, it's a beautiful day. It's on the warm side. There's our cigarette butts. Yeah, don't do that. Throw your cigarette butts everywhere. It's dangerous to the environment, to the birds. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Over and out.